Hello folks, Brandt here with Plastic Trading International. Thanks for tuning in to our posts that are going to be ongoing through 2019 discussing the features and benefits of some of our products that we manufacture. Today's discussion is going to be about Pollycor. Pollycor is a fluted PP sheet, one of our flagship products that we manufacture, and we're very proud of how our material has been offered to the market over the past several years. It's been well received. It's economical, and it's truly the best fluted PP sheet in the industry. So we're going to go through some of that real quick and discuss why our sheet is better than some of the other sheets that are being offered out there. There's two things that are important, or three things I should say: flatness, the printability, and also the smoothness of the sheet. So let's take the smoothness of the sheet first. Introducing the Pollycor. I'm sure many of you have seen this already. Our Pollycor sheet, this sample right here has been digital printed, and if you can see, it's been printed and everything comes out very nice on there. The lines, the detail comes out perfect. Why this is our sheet is ultra smooth. It's going to be difficult to see this through a video, but for example, if you take say maybe a competitor's product, and if you can see this a close-up on here, you'll see the difference in the smoothness of the sheet. The flutes are not showing on this is our sheet right here, and this is another manufacturer's material, and you may be able to see the difference in flutes. If I turn them, the flatness of the sheet is significantly different. And this is important when you're a digital printer. You don't want those hills and valleys for that head to go over for the ink to adhere in. You don't want the flutes to be visible. I'm not sure if you're able to see that or not. So that's a big thing about our product, is the smoothness of the sheet. The next one, of course, is the dyne level. For some of you who may not be familiar with that, the dyne level is just basically the surface tension of the sheet. And the surface tension of the sheet dictates how well the inks are going to adhere to it. Polypropylene in its natural state, without it being corona treated, the inks will just fall right off. We do a corona treatment process with electricity to ensure that we have that surface level between 48 and 55 dyne level. That's right where the digital printers and screen printers need to be. There's some new equipment, the latex machines that are coming out now that are becoming very popular. Our material works very well with the latex machines since they've improved the heat and stuff like that on those. So you're going to find that to work well with it. So that obviously is the most important thing. Another thing to quickly mention as well is the tolerance of our sheet. Some of your customers, or the customers that we're speaking to, have high-speed printing machines. So the squareness of the sheet needs to be right there. This is like these huge printers, like imagine a printer on your desktop where you have a ream of 100 sheets in there. This just takes a whole pallet of material and just feeds it and feeds it and feeds it and keeps printing very quickly. The squareness of the sheet is very important for that, because if they're not all square and exact, then you're going to have a problem with the feed going into those. Some of the next things to talk about, of course, is the color. We have a nice white color on our material, equal or better to other manufacturers out there. So you would be impressed with that. A few other things is we also wrap our material. Say, for example, the 4mm 4x8 sheets, we wrap those in bags of 20 pieces, and there's 13 bags on a pallet. This ensures that the material is staying clean. If you open it up, you can just slide a few sheets out. It's completely covered. You're not getting the problem of the dirt getting attached to it. You do not have to clean our sheets off. They're ready to go. If you would, please see us on the World Wide Web, www.plastictradingint.com, or give us a call, 863-688-1983. If you choose to go to our website, we do have a live chat there to answer any questions that you may have. Thanks so much for tuning in, and we'll see you next week.